Howdy. So, I'm bored, like really bored right now. So, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat this. Yep. Eat the warhead. Extreme sour. And I'm going to record my reaction because I'm freaking savage, dude. I'm not even excited. I've only had the regular ones. I've never had the extreme one yet. I'm so scared. Okay, ready? Oh. I've kind of built up a tolerance. A very low one. Oh. It'll last for a while. Alright. Now I thought that I was gonna try to eat this one without making a face. Okay? It's lemon. I'm not gonna make a face. I'm gonna try not to. Or I'm gonna try to make as little faces as possible. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? This thing's piled with stuff. Look at it. Yeet, you can barely even. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Backyard. Okay, now a face. I'm holding this in real bad. Okay, that's like 2 faces. It's really hard. Ouais. Bye, Ligier.